Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my corn dog recipe. Check it out. First, what you want to do is put your sausage to boil, and what I did is just add some barbecue sauce and some fresh green seasoning to that to give it a little flavor. Corn dog mixture, you would need some black pepper, salt. I have slim milk. If you're using full cream milk, just dilute it a little bit. Corn flour, all-purpose flour. I have some baking powder, sugar, and 2 eggs. You're also going to need some barbecue skewers. This is a very simple recipe, you guys. It's so easy to do. You can also add other flavors like paprika. You can add Old Bay seasoning if you like. You can even add some all-purpose seasoning to this mixture as well. You want to add your liquid gradually because you don't want to end up with a runny batter and then your sausage wouldn't be able to hold on to it. Looking for somewhat of a runny but still thick consistency in your batter like this. Get yourself a really tall glass and fill it 3/4 way up. Make sure that your sausage is completely dried, because if it's not, then the batter would not stick to the sausage. This is one of the most crucial parts of your corn dog, and it's getting the right temperature to fry them in. Make sure that your temperature always stays at a medium to low heat, because trust me, you don't want burnt corn dogs. It don't look good. Once your oil is nice and hot, go ahead and dunk that bad boy into that batter straight from the cup into the fire, and grab a spoon quickly because we have to do this fast. The minute the corn dog hits the oil, start pouring oil on top of the corn dog, so that way the batter stays nice and even throughout around the corn dog. And don't worry guys, practice makes perfect. I mean, I was a rookie too, and you just have to find ways around it to get it to look really nice and neat. But yeah, I'm going to fry out the rest of the sausage and get back to you with the final result. And this is my corn dogs, guys. You see, it looks good and it tastes delicious. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.